Did you know the case you pick for your Galaxy Z Fold Ultra could make or break a $2,000 phone? One drop, one scratch, one yellowed hinge, and that stunning foldable display starts looking old fast. But here's the good news. The right clear case can protect it completely without hiding a single inch of that gorgeous design. Today, we're counting down the 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra Clear cases. And we're not just listing them, we're comparing every single one side by side, so you know exactly which case wins in protection, features, and value. And stick with us till the end, because we're crowning one ultimate winner based on overall performance, not just hype. All the links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 7. FintCase Military Grade Cover. Kicking things off is the FintCase Military Grade Cover, and it's proof that serious protection doesn't have to hide your phone's good looks. You get a crystal clear polycarbonate back, a flexible TPU frame, reinforced corner airbags, and full military-grade drop protection, plus a built-in front screen protector, which is a huge win at this price point. Throw in a smooth, semi-automatic hinge cover and 38 N52 magnets for solid MagSafe support. And this case is ready for wireless chargers, car mounts, and everyday chaos. Compare it to something slimmer like the Ring Fusion, and FintCase wins hands down on hinge protection and overall coverage. It's not as sleek as a Spigen, sure, but if you want maximum protection for your daily grind without paying premium brand prices, FintCase is a fantastic way to open our list. Number 6. Subcase MagSafe Clear Case. Moving up to number 6. The Subcase MagSafe Clear Case basically wants to do everything, and it comes close. It's got military-grade protection, complete hinge coverage, MagSafe compatibility, a built-in screen protector, and a sturdy kickstand that makes flex mode and video watching way more enjoyable. And somehow, through all that, the crystal clear back still lets the Fold 8 Ultra's premium finish shine through. Compared to FentCase, Subcase takes the win on features thanks to that kickstand. It's better for productivity and entertainment, no contest. The trade-off? It's noticeably bulkier than sleeker options like Spigen or Banks. But if protection and convenience matter more to you than shaving off millimeters, Subcase is one of the strongest all-around picks here. Number 5. Banks Magnetic Clear Phone Case. At number 5. The Banks Magnetic Clear Phone Case flips the script. This one's all about elegance over bulk. Instead of rugged armor, you get a refined, transparent design, excellent anti-yellowing tech, reliable hinge protection, a built-in screen protector, and magnetic wireless charging that just works. It's noticeably slimmer than the Subcase, while still holding its own for everyday protection. Compared to FentCase, Banks just feels more premium and lighter in the hand, perfect for professionals who want their foldable to still feel like a foldable. It won't match Subcase's heavy-duty impact resistance, but if style, comfort, and dependable daily protection are your priorities, Banks nails that balance. Number 4. Ring Fusion Clear Case. Number 4 is for the minimalists, the Ring Fusion Clear Case. This one's lightweight polycarbonate back and flexible TPU bumper keep your Fold 8 Ultra looking almost bare, while still adding solid scratch and impact protection. Here's the twist: Ring intentionally skips hinge coverage to keep things thin and comfortable. That's both its superpower and its biggest catch. Stack it against Banks, Subcase, or FentCase, and Ring clearly trades hinge protection and MagSafe support for a slimmer, lighter feel. But if all you want is a clean, affordable case that doesn't add bulk to your fold, Ring delivers serious value and remains one of the best slim options out there. What do you think so far, Team Slim or Team Maximum Protection? Drop your pick in the comments. Number 3. Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro MagFit. Now, we're stepping into premium territory with the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro MagFit, and it shows. Spigen pairs a durable, transparent polycarbonate back with a flexible TPU frame, air cushion technology, a redesigned hinge protector, and full Kia2-ready MagFit support for seamless magnetic charging. Its Seculink design also keeps both halves locked together without messing with the folding motion. Compared to Ring, Spigen crushes it with real hinge protection and magnetic support. Compared to Subcase, it's slimmer and more refined, even though it skips extras like a screen protector or kickstand. If you're deep in the MagSafe ecosystem and want premium build quality without the bulk, Spigen absolutely earns its spot near the top. Number 2. Taurus Magnetic Shockproof Case. We're at number 2. And this one almost stole the whole show, the Taurus Magnetic Shockproof Diamond Clear Case. Taurus brings crystal clear anti-yellowing materials, 4 military-grade drop protection, reinforced hinges, strong MagSafe compatibility, and it even throws in 2 screen protectors right in the box. It's premium, it's sturdy, and somehow it never feels bulky. Compared to Spigen, Taurus leans harder into pure protection and value with extra accessories and stronger drop resistance, while Spigen stays focused on sleek engineering. Compared to Subcase, Taurus is cleaner, more elegant, and just as tough. If you want maximum protection without giving up style, Taurus might be the easiest recommendation on this entire list. Number 1. Ninki Transparent Cover. And taking the number 1 spot for today's countdown is the Ninki Transparent Cover, a case built around real, everyday practicality. Instead of chasing pure protection specs, Ninki packs in a built-in screen protector, full hinge coverage, an adjustable hand strap, and a hidden kickstand, all wrapped in a transparent shell that still shows off the Fold 8 Ultra. Those extras genuinely change how you use your phone. Day-to-day one-handed use gets easier, and watching content becomes way more comfortable. Compared to Taurus and Spigen, Ninki skips the premium magnetic ecosystem and flagship materials. But it delivers way more functionality for people who value grip, comfort, and versatility. Students, commuters, travelers, if that's you, this case is built for your life. Ninki takes the top spot today for being ridiculously practical without breaking the bank. The winner, so here's the moment you've been waiting for. After comparing all 7 clear cases side by side, our overall winner, based on everything that matters, is the Taurus Magnetic Shockproof Diamond Clear Case. Ninki wins today's countdown for value and everyday practicality, no doubt. But when you weigh premium build quality, crystal clear anti-yellowing materials, powerful MagSafe support, reinforced hinge protection, 4 military-grade drop resistance, bonus screen protectors, and long-term durability altogether, Taurus simply checks the most boxes without adding unnecessary bulk. That's what makes it the best all-around clear case for most Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra owners. Outro, and that's a wrap on the 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra clear cases. Whether you want the slimmest design, the toughest protection, premium MagSafe support, or the best bang for your buck, there's a case on this list built for you. So tell me, are you Team Feature-Packed Ninki, Team Premium Taurus, or Team Refined Spigen? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. All the links are in the description below, so go grab the case that's right for you. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.